Hey you guys, it's Peter, and welcome to my channel, Peter Boom 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 review stuff. And my husband Alex Alejandro is here today because we are going to review Eat Pastry Cookie Dough Vegan Non-GMO Chocolate Chip. Eat it raw or baked. Are you gonna eat it raw?
I always like it raw.
Okay. Anyway, this is a family-friendly channel.
It's in the container.
Okay, so anyway, this is what it looks like. We found this at... We need a thumbnail. You ready? Can't do this. Okay, so we found this at Costco. We just happened to be like going up and down every aisle. This was like, what, a month ago?
Very unhealthy, actually.
And so I said, hey, do you want to get some chocolate chip cookie dough? Cause
I said it.
You said it?
Yeah.
No, it doesn't matter. Anyway, one of us said it. So anyway, we were like, let's get this cookie dough. And then Alex was like, we could do a video about it. That would be really cute. You did. That's what you said. And so then he put this in the freezer, and I said, well, if we're going to do a video about this, then you probably want to take it out of the freezer and put it in the refrigerator. So it's been in the refrigerator for like a little bit of a week now. So we are going to make these, and then we are going to do the whole review. There was a little bit of confusion before we started the video, because Alex was taking everything out. I said, oh, whoa. We have to show our process. This is a cooking channel now. So we're going to actually cook the cookies, bake the cookies, I guess, and then we're going to... What's so funny? This one has been cooking a lot. I'm so proud of him. Like, what have you been making? So share some of the things you've made.
Nothing out of the ordinary.
Oh, come on. You've made
basic stuff.
Avocado toast. Cheeseburgers that had like all kinds of stuff in it.
Like just cheese and
Mile High nachos you made the other day.
Nachos.
What goes on your nachos?
Beef and cheese and black beans. And pico de gallo and cheese and chips.
All kinds of stuff. He's been cooking like crazy. Now, I have just been eating onion dip and...
I'm very proud of the choices that you've been making.
Choices. That's what we're here talking about over here is choices. Okay, so let's look at this here. It's vegan and non-GMO. It is.
What does non-GMO mean?
I don't know. I don't know. Isn't the GMO stuff what's also like? It's not good for you. It's not good for you.
It's not bad. It's just processed ingredients and stuff.
Did you think there's GMOs and
There's GMO in your breath right now.
Well, there's GMOs in your breath too. Back up, sister. Do you think there's GMOs in my onion dip?
I think it's actually the definition of GMO. Alex
is so aware of the camera. It's funny because like I've been doing this for so long that I'm like completely unaware that the camera is even there, that you guys are even there. Hi! But like Alex, I'll like look at him and he'll be like, he's so aware of the camera. Probably because you're an Instagram star.
I'm not a star.
Go follow Alex's Instagram, Alex J. Paredes. I'll link it below.
Yeah!
Okay, so it says on here, no dairy, no eggs, no artificial flavors, no hydrogenated oils.
GMO.
Okay, and then it says 60 calories, and that is servings. What cookie is 60 calories? Oh my god. We ate, okay, so we went.
So now you can judge me when I eat like the whole bucket.
Well, you know, like, we did get 2 big, huge containers of the little mini chocolate chip cookies, and I went in there one day and we had, like, one of them left, but the other one, I said, what happened to the container of cookies? And he goes, what are you talking about?
Well, I mean, like, he opens the pantry, and he sees it, that it's gone, and
he goes, that's a stupid question.
He's like, what happened to that? I'm like, I don't know, they went shopping for more groceries. Like,
he goes, that's a stupid question, and I go, what happened? Then the next day, half the other ones were gone. Okay, yeah. So anyway, then there are 2.5 grams of fat, and 0 grams of cholesterol, 45 milligrams of sodium, 8 carbs, not too bad, and less than 1 gram of protein. So you probably wouldn't want to eat this if you're on the Atkins diet. This probably wouldn't be good for you because you wouldn't be getting your proteins. Okay, how to wow them. Try adding walnuts for delicious nutty crunch.
In the nude.
No, like when you do the, oh, we could open fortune cookies. I was going to actually get these fortune cookies on Amazon. But anyway, that'll say real funny stuff. But when you open a fortune cookie, you know you're supposed to say at the end of it, in bed. Did you know that?
Well,
or in the nude. But anyway, okay. But I don't like walnuts. Do you? I mean, I like them, but I don't love them.
No.
Okay, so we're gonna. Do you want? We do have nuts in there.
We do have nuts in there.
Okay, do you want to pass them the nuts?
I'll pass.
Okay, directions. We have like the island, the kitchen island that's usually in the middle. We have it like pushed forward. Like, look, I feel like I'm on the end of Titanic. What does she say?
I will never let go, Jack.
I will never.
And then you push the bitch.
Alex, you can't say that. It's family friendly. Okay.
I just said push her on the beach.
That's not what you said.
Towards the beach.
Listen. Okay. Directions. Preheat oven to 350. Do we do that? Mm-hmm. Yes. Radiant bake. Whew. Scoop.
Are you out of breath?
I was thinking of that song by Whitney Houston. I am out of breath. Scoop. Teaspoon. Sized balls of dough onto a greased or lined baking sheet. Bake 8 to 10 minutes. Let cool or immediately eat them all.
Lined with what? Like a cooking sheet?
Yeah. Yes, aluminum sheet. So here.
Aluminum? Or like the paper one?
Yeah, we can do, no, aluminum foil. We want to put that plastic in the oven. Okay.
Would you like to review this paper foil as well?
I mean, we could. It's 75. Look at that. That looks good, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. You want to buy it?
You think you couldn't wait?
No. Oh, it's really good.
Yep.
It's really good, isn't it?
I have a problem with like
you're allowed
cookie dough.
mukbanger.
Huh?
You're allowed mukbanger. No. Okay. What you have a problem with cookie dough?
It's an asthma video.
Did you just say?
It is.
Did you
I
just
get
say
it.
asthma?
Yeah, because it's funny. Apparently, see, joke. The joke landed.
Asthma. Okay. What is you have a problem with cookie dough? Why?
Because I will eat it all.
Well, you like his favorite kind of ice cream is cookie dough ice cream. Are you cooking or are we eating?
Oh, we're cooking.
Okay.
Did you wash your hands?
You start down there. I did wash my hands. Did you wash yours?
Yeah, I just got out of the shower.
Okay.
I washed more than my hands.
Okay. Now I like them kind of big, so I mean, who doesn't? Family friendly. All right, but
I mean, you did stick that spoon in your mouth and then you just stick it in the container. So.
Well, we're the only ones eating it. It's not like we're having neighbors over or something.
I just know in the comments people would just go about it.
Well, our neighbors.
I beat them to it.
Our neighbors hate us anyway, so.
I don't.
No, they're all 80.
They hate us because we're gay, not because we're...
Oh, that is not true. But I will tell you, we were at the pool one day, and this one neighbor down the street, the one I talk about in my vlog all the time, we're actually kind of friendly now. But she said, she was looking over at us, and she goes, now, there's Peter Monn, she goes, and his husband, she goes, 2 of the nicest homosexuals I've ever met in my life. That's a true story. He heard the whole thing.
I don't know why she thinks I'm nice, though.
Because you are.
To look at. Just kidding.
Just didn't shove a knife in the butt.
God.
Okay. Yeah. Look at that. We did a good job.
Alright, so you are only allowed to eat the ones that you...
Not bad considering we're almost professionals. That's from Dolly Parton, Smoking Out on Christmas. Mm. Did I ever have you watch that movie?
You forced me. I kindly forgot.
You loved it. Okay, so is our oven preheated? Our oven is preheated and is ready to go. Do you see that? Oh my God. I thought that was a letter. I thought that was like that, what's that called? That when the letters, like the spooks, the spirits and stuff, they write letters. Do you think they would write a letter to us on the oven? It's clean me.
Yeah, clean me.
What's that called? Automatic writing. So there we go. That is our cookies for a while. And we're going to come, how long do we have to put them in for? I didn't even remember.
8 to 10 minutes.
Okay. Setting the timer. 8 to 10 minutes. Our oven always runs a little hot.
Why don't you just do it on your phone?
Are you going to eat all the cookie dough?
Yeah. Isn't that what we got it for?
Yeah, but like maybe I'd like to have a couple more cookies.
I'm going to have to buy another bucket.
Look at how much is gone already. Alright, you guys, we will be back in 2 and 2. See you then. Okay, they're done. We had to put a couple extra minutes on it. Are you ready?
I'm ready to pull out.
Alex! Family friendly, come on. Okay. Ooh, la, 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 la. Oh my God, what happened?
Well, they grow, so we are dumb.
It's like a cookie cake. It's like a cookie cake. We did so good. Okay, so I already have the plate here, and
They're literally...
Are they soggy?
Yeah.
But there's no GMO.
That's probably why they're
How about we
soggy.
just get 2 out for us on the plate and try those, so that we could get on with the video. we don't have to.
Hey, this is why I thought that we should have made them while we were like talking.
But the people like to see the process, I think. I'm kind of worried about seeing the bottom of these cookies. Ooh, what's going on?
Nothing's going on. You need to learn some manners.
You are not one to be teaching me about manners. Okay. That's 2. That's good. We'll try those 2. Okay, here we go.
They're so hot, they have to wait for like... How long did it say?
It said eat them right away.
Boo.
Okay. It doesn't say how long. It just says eat them. Let cool or immediately eat them all.
Let cool.
How much of this have you had? Because he finally goes like this. This is what he does. He goes, okay, enough.
That's
Like,
not what I did.
how did you do it then?
I said, oh my god.
How much did you eat?
Half of it.
Now, are you going to wait for yours to cool, or are you going to eat yours right away? I'm so proud. What happened? They were round balls. Now they're flat. Okay, I know they flatten out. Which one would you like to have?
It doesn't matter.
Okay, I'll take the smaller one then. Because I'm on a diet.
Okay, with your Diet Coke.
Those are really good. I mean, I've never had a chocolate chip cookie that I didn't like. But, like, those are really good compared to, like, those Costco ones that we have that you loved.
You don't think... What?
Those little chocolate chip cookies that we have, I think these are better.
Really? I think the other ones are better. Because somebody else made them.
What would you give these?
I will kick the raw dough a solid 5.
Okay, out of 5?
Inches. And then the cookies, I mean, maybe it's because like our skill of cooking is like awful.
It's the taste.
But I think they're great. I mean, I think like they're chocolate chip cookies. How can you F that up?
I would definitely give them. Okay, you need to stop. Just Alex!
I'm dancing!
He thinks it's funny because you guys feed him on in the comment sections, and then he comes on here and he gets all, you know what, R-rated, and we don't need that. This is family.
No one's feeding me anything.
I would give it. I'll go to another cookie. Here, we got 50 of them. Oh, they do look good on the back.
Oh, and here we're making faces and being rude about it.
Anyway, I would give it, the cookie dough and the cookie, I would give it 5 out of 5. Those are really good, I think.
Okay.
But I like hot cookies straight out of the oven.
Well, then, at Eat Pastry, tell me what you think.
Anyway, thank you for being in the video. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Anyway.
What?
Anyway, stop. Stop. Okay. Say goodbye to everybody. Thanks.
What?
All right, you guys. We'll see you guys later.
What am I doing?
Anyway, say goodbye. Love you guys. Bye. And thanks. Bye.